Welcome back to a video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of this phone I bought on eBay. It is the SCH-R211. I just took the sticker off because that's the only thing I was holding the box together. So, shipping label. This is a Cricket device. Doesn't seem to have a battery in it though. No. Let me see if I can find a Samsung battery real quick and we'll give it a test. Okay, so I took a battery out of this Samsung M320. So we'll see if this powers on. Yep, it kind of reminds me of the Altel. I can't exactly remember the model number, but it reminds me of an Altel device I have. So there you go, seems to work. Seems to have no passcode, which is nice. Yep. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.